Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are going to change every fluid in the car and make little updates. So I'm going to open it. Oh! Yep, lekker luisteren. I need to stop the engine. Because the engine must be warm. It's warm, but I need to stop it. So let's start it again. Nice. So now I'm gonna do 50 minutes. Okay, see you soon. So now first of all oil change, then everything what we're gonna do is differential, transmission, oil, yeah, I think that was, and maybe brake fluid.
So serious. Run for your life, cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Change, can you swear some? Never mind, I forgot where I came from. Like wolves in the darkness, we've adapted to blindness. Fall asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on.
So all the fluids are new in the car: engine oil, power steering, differential and transmission. The brake fluid is okay, I measured it, so now everything is fresh. And I bought something fancy. A catch can for this boy. So we are going to measure how long should the tubes be and where we are gonna position this one. I have little fittings here, but we need more because of these ones to connect just properly the whole thing. So we are going to shopping a little bit and yeah, just measure a little bit and find a good place for the catch can. I got some stuff what I ordered, like LED license plate lights. I have a new radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's like so big touch thing because now with cable it sucks. This is just a frame for it. It's like the new caps for the rims, because on the front they are just gone, they're just broke, and now I have like the dots ones inside, but it's not a dots wheel. So ladies and gentlemen, we are working on the catch can. We wanted to use fittings like this, beautiful fittings, but it's not gonna work because of the threads. It's just a crazy thread inside it, and it's not fitting with our connections and fittings, so we are gonna use the normal ones what we get with the catch can, and just we pull over our hose and yeah, it's tough, it's holding, so it's okay. So we can use our catch cans with the cool lines. Now the position of my catch can will be here next to the battery, and then we'll pull the line there to here and here. So now we are gonna mount all the lines on the catch cans, get everything ready, and then install it inside there, and then we will do the car from a dead, and then we are ready. And the radio, we tried it again, but I need a new connector because the car has a cool audio system from Infinity, and it's not fits with the wires what I get from Amazon. So we ordered like a part between them what we need. So yeah, but it's going to be done next weekend. So now for today is catch can, and then we are probably ready with this car. So now the whole lines are connected on the engine, and these two, and I'm gonna mount the catch can here, but now I'm going to take out the complete battery holder to work on it outside out of the car, because it's then easier.
I feel so low, can't find my way home. I'm trying to hold on, but I'm all alone. I'm reaching for help, but it's out of sight. I'm lost in the darkness, trying to fight the light.
So now the catch can is mounted on the holder from the battery, as you can see here. We made a simple mount, and now it's stable. Now I'm going to put the battery back, mount all the hose on the catch can, and it's ready. So the catch can is fully mounted. All the lines beautiful. Nice. So now we made it to the end of this video. I hope you like it. And I'm sure you will see more Genesis content next year and in the future. I'm really happy with this car, as I said many times. So this is it for now with this car. I'm not planning anything more for now. And yeah, this year you will see 1 or 2 videos, and then is the year over. So stay tuned, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.